Hi, everyone. My name is Robert Michael Merlin. I'm a board certified hypnotist with the National Guild of Hypnotists. I'm also a certified instructor with them. I have been with them since 2012. I've been a full-time hypnotist, owning my own private practice for the last 16 years. So there's something I want to talk to you about, being a complementary medical hypnotist. I'm doing a seminar on Saturday, August 8th, from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock about how you can specifically work with hospitals, medical centers, dentists, and also other medical professionals that are there in your city. How you can help them understand exactly how a hypnotist can help them with their clients and their business. Now, I've been working at a hospital for 2 years specifically at Cone Health in Greensboro, North Carolina. I'm working with the cardio people in Greensboro, North Carolina at Moses Cone in cardiac rehab. So I'm starting to recognize how important it is for us as hypnotists to understand how important it is for us to work with the medical field. Medical professionals give us credence. People respond when they recognize that you have been referred to from a physician that they know who says, you know what? I think hypnosis will help you. Being a complementary medical hypnotist allows us to work specifically with the doctors and the nurses and the NPs. I can teach you how to do that because I've been doing it. I've been a full-time hypnotist for the last 16 years in private practice. I've been working with the hospitals for a while now, and I can show you how it's done. So if this is something where you want to expand your practice and expand who you are as a person to get those referrals from medical professionals, make sure that you're there in Marlborough, Massachusetts on August 8th, Saturday from 2 to 4 o'clock, course number 22022. I will see you there.